Titingnan ng defense team ni Vice President Sara Duterte kung meron silang ibang legal na hakbang na maaaring gawin sakaling payagan ng impeachment court ang motion na ipasubpina ang mga bank, tax at AMLAC record ng pangalawang Pangulo. Si Jason Rubrico sa balita.
Sa Lunes malalaman kung ano ang magiging desisyon ng impeachment court sa mosyon ng prosecution panel na ipasabpina ang bank, tax at AMLAC records ni Vice President Sara Duterte. Kung papayagan ng korte ang nasabing mosyon, iginiit ni Defense Spokesperson Attorney Michael Poa na masyado pang maaga para sabihin ang susunod nilang gagawin. Pero sinabi niyang titingnan muna ng defense team ang lahat ng maaaring legal na paraan at kukonsulta rin sila kay Vice President Sara Duterte bago magdesisyon.
Ngayon, kung ano man ang maging desisyon nila, we will have to explore kung meron tayong remedies, we'll have to see kung ano yung pwede, and of course, done in consultation with our client. No? But right now, I think it's too early to say. Kung ano man ang next step namin, also, we don't usually, as you've noticed, the defense team, we don't telegraph. In fact, we didn't tell anyone that I was going to be the one doing the oral arguments today, di ba? So, we don't really telegraph our next moves. But sa atin, no, we have to respect, of course, the impeachment court. But aside from that, we also have to do our job and discuss the matter with our client first kung ano yung gusto niyang mangyari.
Giit ni Poa na gusto rin ng defense team na lumabas ang katotohanan pero dapat pa ring sundin ang konstitusyon, ang batas at ang mga tuntunin ng impeachment trial. Dagdag pa niya, hindi nila gustong paunahan ang magiging desisyon ng mga senator judges bilang paggalang sa impeachment court at hindi rin sila maaaring magsalita tungkol sa laman o merito ng kaso.
Sa akin naman po, no, I don't really want to dictate on the impeachment court out of due respect to our senator judges, and we really cannot talk about the merits. Pero siguro, explain ko lang yung ating naging posisyon naman is, of course, we all want the truth, di ba? But in search for the truth, we must still work within the limitations of the Constitution, the law, and the rules.
Samantala, sinabi rin ni Poa na mahalaga ang magiging desisyon ng impeachment court dahil maaari itong maging batayan sa mga susunod na impeachment cases. Gayunman, naniniwala siyang patas at maayos ang paghawak ng mga senator judges sa paglilitis. Aniya, igagalang ng defense team ang anumang magiging desisyon ng impeachment court. Ngunit kung kinakailangan, gagamit sila ng mga legal na hakbang na pinapayagan ng batas.
Tama po yan, ganun naman po talaga, no? Whatever happens in the impeachment trial, but I think naman po, no, our senator judges are more than capable, and whatever they do, nakikita nyo nga na past few days, ang gaganda ng mga insights ng ating mga senator judges, no? And I'm not just saying for us or against us, wala namang ganun. In fact, I feel that they have been quite impartial talaga po, no? And based on that, we will just respect whatever decision they have, but again, we will see if there is a need to resort to remedies, etc. provided by law.
Para sa Diyos at sa Pilipinas kong mahal, ako po si Jason Rubrico, SMNI News.